I'm walking through number 37 from 4.7. Number 38 in the corrections paper, right, with this thing right here. Number 38, I do a step-by-step process of how to find the answer. And number 37 and 38 are almost identical. So I'm just going to do 37 and then I think with this information and with this information, you can figure out 38 pretty easily. So number 37, I'm integrating 5 over 3x plus 1 from the boundary, or in the boundary from 0 to 4. Okay, first step is I am going to simplify this. So 0 to 4, I'm going to pull out the 5. Actually, let's write the 5 out here. Pull out the 5, so now I'm left with 3x plus 1 dx. Now to make things a little simpler, I am going to use a little bit of substitution. This isn't really necessary, but I really like substituting stuff. So if I substitute, I am going to end up with 3 dx. Okay, so that means my boundary here is going to change, right? Gosh, that's bad. My boundary is going to change because I'm going from, I'm going to do 3, 4 plus 1, which is equal to, so I just plugged in 4 for x here, right? So this is going to be 13. I'm going to put up here. And I'm going to sub in 0 for x this time for my lower bound. And that is going to be 1. So I write 1 here and 13 here because I am using substitution as for my method here. So since I have 3 dx, I need to balance that out with a 1/3 to get rid of this 3 so that this equation is the same as this down here. So now I see that I have du over u, which means that I am going to use ln of u from 1 to 13. Okay, so then I take my 13 and I plug it in. So I'm going to get 3 ln of 13. So that's my first one. This is my upper bound, and then I subtract from my lower bound, which is me plugging 1 in for u. 5/3 ln of 1. And ln of 1 goes to 0, right? So 5 over 3 times 0 is 0. And this is just 5 over 3 ln of 13. And all this plus c. I forgot my plus c for all of this. So there you have it. That is equal to 5/3 ln 13 plus c. That is my answer. Let me double check on here. Yep. All right. And so if you plug in to the calculator, you should get 4.275 or something like that. All right. So that's how you do number 37. Let me know if you have any questions.